I lost everything in 2008, my business and my savings. But here's what nobody tells you about rock bottom. It's the perfect place to rebuild. Fast forward to today, and I've generated over 7 figures online. So if I had to start as beginner tomorrow, here's exactly what I do. First, forget everything you think you know about making money online. The drop shipping gurus, the crypto bros, the course sellers promising overnight success, they're selling you a dream, not a system. Here's the truth. 87% of people who try making money online quit within 90 days. Not because the methods don't work, but because they're chasing the wrong ones. So what would I actually do? I'd focus on 3 things: speed to first dollar, low barrier to entry, and scalability. Let me break this down. Option 1, skill arbitrage. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be better than someone who knows nothing. Can you edit videos, set up a WordPress site, write decent captions? Businesses are desperately searching for affordable help right now. I'd spend week 1 learning one high-demand skill on YouTube for free, week 2 practicing by offering dirt cheap services on Fiverr, and by week 3, I'd be charging real money. Option 2, content flipping. This is what most people overlook. Take trending content from one platform, recreate it in your own words for another platform, and monetize through ad revenue or affiliate links. I'd pick a profitable niche like finance, tech, or self-improvement, study the top 10 creators, then model their best performing content with my unique angle. Option 3, digital products. This is my personal favorite because it's pure profit. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service headaches. I'd create a simple Notion template, a budgeting spreadsheet, or a step-by-step guide solving one specific problem, then sell it for $15 to $30. Tools like Gumroad make this stupid simple. Here's the key most people miss. Pick one method and commit for 6 months minimum, not 6 weeks. Success online isn't about finding the perfect opportunity. It's about executing an average opportunity perfectly.